Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall watch bracelets. Towards the end, I'll also install and remove a quick release leather strap to round things out. While we're working with the Cartier Tank Francaise today, the steps should largely be the same for most of the watches out there. Tools we need are a spring bar tool, a screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth to prevent scratches. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'm not sure if it can be clearly seen here, but inside those slots sit the spring bar that holds the bracelet and link in place. To gain easy access to it, we need to break the bracelet in half by disconnecting one of the links on the bracelet. This particular watch uses screw pins, so all we have to do is unscrew one of them. If your watch uses friction pins, you're going to need a special tool for that. To unscrew the screw pin, you'd want to have your finger underneath the screwdriver to support it just in case it slips out. And start unscrewing. Once you feel it disengage, go ahead and pull the pin out. If your fingernails won't work, you can also use tweezers. There you go. And separate. So there are access parts on the end links of the bracelet. What you'd want to do is grasp the spring bar with one side first, pull it a little, and try to latch on with the other and squeeze them together. That will compress the spring bar enough for you to be able to pull the end link out. So let's do just that. Grab it in with one side first, and pull on the other side. Same thing on the other side. Sometimes it's easier to grab them like this. Compress them a little so they get out of their slot. And while holding it down, do the same thing on the other side. And once both ends are out of their slots, hold your spring bar tool like this to fully compress the spring bar as you pull the bracelet out. There you go. To reinstall one side of the bracelet, first of all, slide the spring bar into its slot, like so. Using your spring bar tool, compress the spring bar from both sides. Once it's fully compressed, slowly lower it into the watch case. Let go. And once it's in, just wiggle it around until it finds its way home. Do the same for the other side. Slide the spring bar in. Once again, support the screwdriver with your finger. Screw the pin in. Installing a leather strap with these quick release pins is very easy. All you have to do is get one side of the spring bar inside the lug hole, pull on this lever over here. There you go. Guide it in and wiggle it around until this gap closer to the lug disappears. There you go. That means the spring bar is fully in its slot. Now do the same for the other side. Guide the long end into the lug hole first. Guide the strap in and pull on this lever. Compress the spring bar. Once it's in, wiggle it around until it finds its way home. There you go. To remove the quick release strap, you just pull on this pin and slide the strap out. Do it for the other side. There you go. And there you have it. If you want to see more of these, please hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.